my lampshade. I had an old lampshade that I cut that off of. I'm just going to tack that in, and that should hold it, I think. We'll give it a bit of a height by putting the block on the bottom. Well, that's more weld than what they put on there, so that should hold. One in the centre's all done on each of these. Don't really care about the outside so much, because I'm going to machine that off. I'll give that a light sand. I still want it nice and black on the inside, but I want the black off the outside, so I'll just set it up in the lathe. Nice and black on the inside, nice and shiny yellow on the outside. I was just lining up that electrical hole, and now that's all secure all through here. It's got to get cut off, and then a piece of wood's going to get mounted on the top, which our electrical is getting screwed to. Some of my favourite colour stain on there. Alright, so I got my earth hooked to the bottom here, which was the old earth for the motor that was in here. So if it breaks contact with any of the metal there, it should cut out.
I see. There. Oh no, I see. That. That guy.
That goes on. That goes on.
That? What's that?
That's a wire.
No. That.
That's all. Okay. Still wired up. Ready? Test run. Hey. That's pretty impressive for mood lighting. Brought it inside to show you how spectacular the lighting was on the ceiling and stuff. Just to tell you, I've put some pinch weld on the base of the stand. I put some pinch weld on the base of the lampshade. I drilled out again where those bullet holes supposedly are to make it look a bit more metal. I scratched up the surface and I put a couple of gauges on the outside, and I also put the motor housing back on top.